Woof. So tonight we're having stuffed chicken breast. Woof. With green and red peppers. Woof. I pre-chopped the red and green peppers. Woof. I added some salt and pepper. Woof. Now we got woof. Chop up some onion. Woof. And remember to chop really fine when you chop it. Woof. Yeah. Drink time. Go 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 go. Woof. Woof. Silly pup, I know. Woof. Woof. So right now I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Woof. Oh, that was in the garbage. Nice. Spanish onion. Woof. Chop chop chop. Woof. Chop chop chop. Woof. Chop 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 all day long. Woof woof woof. Chop 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 as I sing this song. Woof woof. I know. Woof, and onions don't make me cry. Woof. I have a big strong pup. Woof. Chop chop chop. Chop chop chop. Woof 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 woof. Chop chop. See, I'm not crying. Woof. Chop chop chop. Woof. Chop 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 chop. Woof. Wait, what's that? Woof. Get off my screen. Woof. Hey, woof. Chop chop. Woof. Woof. Now we add the onion to the green peppers, red peppers. Woof. Nope, that's all of it. Woof. Shake it all up. Woof. There you see, woof. Oops, me forgot salt and pepper. Woof. Pepper, lots of pepper. Woof. Here's the cream cheese. Woof. We're only going to use half a pack of cream cheese. Woof. There's only 2 chicken breasts. Woof. So half a pack of cream cheese should do just about. Woof. Yep. Woof. I need a knife to cut the cheese. Woof. 2 pieces. Yep. Half should do it. Woof. Cut. Woof. There we go. Rewrap this piece. Put that away. Woof. Save it for a rainy day. Woof. So, woof. Now we're going to take our chicken breast, woof, like this. Cut off all the fatty, gross, crappy stuff. Woof. That was good. Just a little bit here needs to come on. Woof. Just like that. Yep. And a little bit here. Woof. Next, woof. We're going to make a little slice right here in the thick part of the chicken breast. Woof. Go deep as you can, but slow, because you don't want to poke the hole through the chicken breast. Woof. You don't want that filling to fall out. Woof. Stick your fingers in. Woof. Ram it a couple times. Woof. Woof. Yep, that one's good, see? Woof. And you're going to do the same thing with this one. Put a slit right through the thick end of the chicken breast. Woof. Just woof. Yep, wiggle it just a little bit. Woof. Remember, don't poke through the sides. Woof. Stick your fingers in. Yep, that will work. Woof. And that one, yep. Woof. Very good. And that's how you finger a chicken breast. Woof. Just kidding. Woof. Now I'm going to mix up the cream cheese. Woof. You could wear gloves. Woof. Want to, woof. I just washed my hands, so this puppy's good. I should say I washed my paws, woof. So you're going to mush all those red green peppers together, woof. And make sure you get all the pepper and salt all mixed in, woof. You can add spinach to this if you like, woof, but these puppies don't like spinach. Squishy, squishy, we're gonna make a ball, woof. So, woof. Yeah, we'll make a ball, ball, ball. Roof. Now I'm going to take that ball, roof, and split it in two. Right there, roof. Yep. See? Half me and half for loving, roof. Make it long and skinny, roof, so it fits in. Roof. It's messy, roof. Really messy, roof. Wait till it falls over my hand, roof. Silly pot, roof. That's cream cheese, roof. So, roof. You're gonna take this. Make sure it's well mixed, roof. Why am I taking so long mixing this, roof? Roof. Hi, Lemon. I need a plate, roof. Roof. Thank you, Lemon, for the plate. He doesn't remember coming up with the plate, roof. So you're gonna take that cream cheese and you're gonna stuff it in that. Oh, you just put in the chicken, roof. Roof. Just squeezing the cream cheese into the stuffed chicken breast, roof. Wolf, and now we're gonna do the same thing for the second chicken breast. Wolf, I think this one's gonna go a little easier. Let's see. Look, so we just added the filling. Look, the cream cheese. Oh, the cream cheese is added. Look, and the peppers, red and green peppers. We stuffed it with. Look. Oh, and we're gonna add breaded crumbs. Look. Just gotta find where did I put those crumbs? I can't find where I put the crumbs. Look. Nothing special about the crumbs, just original breaded crumbs. Look. That's gonna be good. Mashed potatoes are great. Yummy, right? Doesn't that sound fantastic? Look. So, yeah, look, now we put the oven to 350 degrees. Bang some pots and pans around, look, because you always got to bang some pots and pans around, right? Look. What?
Bloopers.
Bloopers.
Yeah, pans in the oven. And the heat is on.
Always double check the oven to make sure there's no heat in the oven. So, now we got a crumb. Must be the bigger for this. Ooh. Really, I don't know Tupperware, but whoa, there's. So, I probably got no Tupperware available. Original breadcrumbs. Nothing special about the breadcrumbs. got 2 chicken breasts. Woohoo! That should be all good enough. Woo. Got the pan here. Woo. We're gonna crumb the chicken breast. Crumbs all over it. Make sure it's completely crumbed up. Woo. I don't know well you can see that. Woo. Make sure you get crumbs all over it. Ooh, this is gonna be good. See, look. A crummy chicken breast. And remember when you put the chicken breast on the pan, put the thick pieces on the outside. Look. Because the outside always cooks first. Look. You see? Look, see how we done it? Look, the thick piece on the outside. Look. Now, if the puppy had saved some of the cream cheese, he could have made a cream cheese sauce for it. But instead of cream cheese sauce, we're gonna have St. Gilbert hot chicken. Look, gravy. What a big pan with just 2 pieces of chicken breast. Woof. And this is the chicken breast here. Woof. We're preheating the oven and we're gonna slide it right in. Ugh. I don't know why they're chirping so much. So, look. This will be going in the oven. It's gonna take at least 45 minutes to cook these chicken breasts. Look, we kind of want them a little brown on top. This is the gravy we'll be having tonight. Look, St. Gilbert gravy. Look, it's good chicken gravy. Look. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to do my potatoes because we're having mashed potato with this. Look. So I'm going to start at my potatoes now. So, look. This is going in the oven. Look. Oh. Look, 1 little second though, before it goes in the oven. Use the crumbs that's left over in the pan, put on the bottom of your tray, like so, whoop, and put your chicken breast on that. You can also spray your pan with cooking spray as well, whoop, but the puppy likes crumbs, whoop. So we're keeping our chicken breast on the crumbs. Look, stop it from sticking. And now it's in the oven. Look. Puppy go wash his hands again. Look, I've got plenty ready when he comes wash his hands. Be right back. Look. Bro? Yeah. Yeah, you've used it over here before.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, well, I don't know where you've been living to. We're loving it. Oof. So right now, as you can see, I think, oof, oof. Ooh, there's lights, camera, action. Woof. Potatoes are boiling. Rough. Now let's take a look down here. Oh. I can't turn on the light in the oven because there's no light in the oven. Look, oh. Here, oven, look. So, the cream cheese came out, which is okay. You can just brown them a little bit more. Of course I am. Oh, look at that. That will be so yummy. Our oven wants to heat that. Look. It busted out. It was exploding. We all been there, right? Woof. Okay. Woof. So there's the potatoes boiling. Woof. And everything looks yummy, right? Woof. Let's start the potatoes. Woof. I probably can't wait to eat. He's starving. Woof. Right? Oh, and to go with that, we're having, like I said, we're having St. Hubert hot chicken gravy. Woof, that's what we're having. Woof, woof, it's gonna be good gravy. Woof, it's a saint. Woof, so you know it's gonna be good, right? Right, Lovin?
What?
You know it's gonna be good gravy because it's a saint. It's St. Hubert gravy. It's a saint gravy. Woof, sent from above. Woof, hi there, Twixie. Woof. Yeah, woof. 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 Potatoes are on. Woof. A lot of potatoes because whatever's left over, we're having croquettes. Woof. Woof. And the chicken breast is looking yummy. Woof. Right? Woof. Look at that. Woof. Just gonna add some topping. Woof. Corn. Woof. Mashed potato. Woof. Sour cream. And rice. Chicken breast. Woof. Can't wait to dig in. Woof. Thank you for tuning in. Woof. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Woof. Bye. Woof.